Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the YouTube application on your computer. And this is very easy to do. You can see it's pretty much YouTube without all the fluff of your web browser on it. And what you can do is just go on over to like Google Chrome or one of your web browsers. Go to the top, go to the three little lines or the dots, and go on down to Cast, Save, and Share. It should be under here. And it should say like install YouTube or something like that under here. And I already did that on here, so it doesn't show up anymore. So I can unpin it now from the taskbar right here. But I should be able to get this to pop up now. I go to cast screen and share. And it says install page. Let me go to a different web browser and see if this will work now. So I'm going to open up this web browser here. Going down and see if I can get it to show up. Save and share. And then just install YouTube right here. And then pin it to your taskbar. And you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.